This project is about designing and building an island for a narrow kitchen. The width of the kitchen precluded an island with sit-down seating for eating. The island project was one of the first steps in renovating an ugly kitchen that had a peninsula and cabinets that obstructed views. What was designed is a narrow island with a stowaway seat that provides a sit-down workspace. 2 drawers were fabricated, one on each side of the sit-down area. Two lower cabinets were included, one with pull-out garbage container and the other with pot storage. This is the output of the CAD design I used to develop the project. Everything is built on a 1/2-inch plywood base. The island is narrower than a standard kitchen cabinet to allow a sufficient overhang of standard granite slabs to be used for the top. Standard slabs turned out to be 26 inches, not 24 inches, allowing for more overhang. The vertical posts in the design are structural and are integrated into the pattern. The top horizontal bars are structural and pocket screwed into the posts. The bottom horizontal between the posts is cosmetic to match the posts. The plywood faces are routed into the posts. The opening is sized to completely store the stool when not seated. This is a construction project of the island being assembled in a basement. The island in this photo is not yet finished and not attached to the base plywood. This is a front view construction progress photo. The drawer faces and the cabinet doors have not yet been fabricated and installed. This is a view of one of the drawers shown open with the soft close drawer slides. Since the island was the first new item to be installed, the crappy vinyl floor had to be removed to allow installation of the island without impacting the rest of the flooring. This photo shows the island finished and installed prior to adding the door and drawer hardware with a temporary top. This was prior to new cabinet installation in the rest of the kitchen. This is the back view of the island at the same time. This photo shows the island in use with the temporary top, hardware installed, and the stool in the storage space. This was after the installation of the new cabinets, but before installation of new floors and countertops. These photos are taken of the island and the completed upgraded kitchen with the granite countertop, wood flooring, and electrical outlet. The design and finish of the island matches the design and finish of the selected new cabinets. The island could not be made any wider due to the 11-foot wide kitchen. The design has worked out very well with free passage around the island and very practical workspace for food preparation.